Hello everyone, welcome to Platform Studio. We have 30,000 subscribers now. This is crazy, this is unbelievable. Really, thank you so much guys who subscribed. Also thank you who didn't subscribe. I don't mind. Thank you everyone for supporting this channel. I never imagined reaching the 30k mark. Thanks again for supporting me, and today I will show you a complete exterior rendering from the scratch in 3ds Max using V-Ray. So at first I have a 3D model here that I downloaded from internet as always. Here it is. Let's go to top view because the first thing I like to do is put the camera. So to understand the camera angle, top view is the best. Go to create camera, V-Ray physical camera, and put the camera and drag it like that. Make the camera placement higher. Let's see what the camera sees. It's cropped, so we need to adjust the camera target. Go to select camera target and adjust it. Still it doesn't look good, so I will select camera, go to modify, and I will change the focal length. Then I will adjust the camera angle again. Again select camera, and look at this, not perfectly straight vertically, but our eyes do not see that way, so we have to make it vertically 90 degrees. Okay, let's adjust the camera a little. I want the camera a little lower because if you lower the camera it gives you a dynamic look. I think it's fine. Let's see what the camera says. The camera sees nothing because there's no light, so we have to put lights. Go to perspective, then again go to create menu, go to light, V-Ray light, in type select dome light, dome. Yep, dome light, and put the intensity around 25-20, maybe 25. Let's see what camera sees now. Yeah, the light is there. So we have the basic light and basic camera angle fixed. Now we have to put an environment here because there is no environment, only white light. So I'm going to perspective view again. I'm selecting the dome light, and in the textures there's no map. You have to put an environment map there. So to get an environment map you have to go rendering, material editor, compact material editor. I like to use compact material editor. You can use the regular material editor, it's your wish, but I like to use it. So select a slot, press on get material, scroll down, go to maps, Here in maps you will find V-Ray, but look, there is no V-Ray HDRI. There used to be V-Ray HDRI, but they changed it. They merged it with V-Ray bitmap because they're kind of similar thing. So select V-Ray bitmap and select your HDRI. I have several HDRI downloaded here. HDRIs downloaded here. So choose your environment. You can choose daylight like this, cloudy, daylight, night scene. You can choose whatever environment you want. This one is nice. Oh, this one is very nice. No, yeah, I will use this one. You double click it and it will be here, and in mapping type select spherical. It's important, select spherical. So let's put this HDRI map into our dome light. Here drag and put instance, not copy, instance. And now we have to go the environment option, rendering, environment, and in the environment map slot select and grab the environment map. Yep, the environment will be there in the background. Go to the camera view. See, we have a sky now. We have a sky now and some trees behind, but I would like to see more trees. You can rotate this HDRI. Here we are bringing some trees in the background, and you can also tilt it vertically a little. Yep. So let's see, render. So under the environment it looks a little dark and little blue, like the environment is like it's dawn or in late afternoon. So let's make some material. First I did choose glass. Go to get material, go to materials, and I have downloaded some glasses here. Choose a glass. I will choose architectural glass. Double click and there will be some samples. Double click it and here it is, architectural glass. I don't like the green tint. Every architectural glass you find in internet has a green tint. I don't like it, so I make it gray. Perfect. So put on the glass. Render. Yeah, the glass is reflecting the environment. You can see that. Let's cancel it. Now let's select the material of the metal frames here. Again, go to get material, open material library, go to materials, and I have metal, have several materials. Which one I should choose? Okay, this one. No. See, sometimes your downloaded material simply doesn't work. I don't like this. I will select another one. I will go to materials and I'll choose this aluminum polished. Yeah, this one looks like aluminum. I will decrease the reflection a little bit. I don't like the high reflection on metal. Then put it on the metal frames. Yeah, nice and easy. Here we have also metal frame. So next, let's choose the concrete for the exterior of the building. Let's make this material by textures. Go to materials, V-Ray material, V-Ray MTL. Choose the maps, open the maps, and here in the map slot we have to put the textures that you like, the concrete textures here in the map slot. So I will go to textures, select concrete, and I will choose a concrete from here. Let's see which one is better. Yeah, I like this one. I like this one. I will use this one for this rendering. So let's put the image into diffuse. Diffuse always means the original texture, the image one. This is the diffuse. So you can see the material in a spherical. Then put the displacement map into displacement and also into bump. And let's choose the specular and put it into reflect and glossiness. So easy. That's it, you have made a material. Put it on the building and it will show you. It looks good. Let's hide the exterior and choose the interior and put the same material into the interior facades. Now we have interior walls, so we have to make another material. Go to physical material, go to V-Ray and V-Ray MTL. So we need some stucco, something brighter or white stucco. Yeah, this one is perfect. No, I didn't select the map option. You have to open the maps option. Put it on the maps. Here it is. Put the displacement map in displacement and bump in the bump. Put the specular into reflect and glossiness. That's our indoor material. Yeah, you can see it looks nice. So we have assigned all the materials of the actual building. Then we have to select the outdoor material, outdoor objects, and I want this something like dirty concrete or a rough concrete. So in the materials, I will go to concrete plates and we look for some dirtier or rougher concrete. Yeah, I think this one is better. Okay, like this one. So put all the maps according to their slots like before. Yeah, it grabbed the material. So for the driveway, I will not choose asphalt. I will just choose concrete finish, some kind of. I like concrete. Again, go to physical material, V-Ray MTL, then open maps. Then go to the collection, select whatever you like, asphalt or concrete. I will select concrete. Where is concrete? There. And which one looks like asphalt? Yeah, this one. This one looks nice. Okay, I'm assigning to the diffuse map. Displacement map, bump map. Oops, I have mistakenly put the bump map into opacity. Just clearing it and putting it in the displacement. Yeah, don't put it on opacity map. And I will put the specular map into reflect and glossiness. Okay, now I'm choosing the texture of the grass. Go to maps. I have only one grass texture here. It's kind of cool. Put it on the diffuse, and the bump map, put it on the bump. Yeah, bump. The grass is too large, so we will go to tiling and make it 5 and 5. Yeah, this size is perfect. So always remember, if you change the diffuse texture, you will also have to change the bump map, then otherwise they won't match. So this is our grass texture, but how to get realistic grass, I have already made a tutorial about it. Go to create, standard primitives, and go to V-Ray, and into the V-Ray go to V-Ray fur. See, we'll create grass by using V-Ray fur. Here it worked. The whole plane of grass is covered in V-Ray fur. We'll increase the length of the grass. We'll also increase the thickness. Decrease the gravity, and taper should be 1. Okay, let's see. Yeah, the grass, it's the VFR is showing, but there is no texture in VFR, so it's just showing a greenish color. We didn't put any texture into VFR. We did put textures only on the grass plane, but you have to put textures on the fur also. So we'll put the same texture here. And we also didn't put any texture here at the border of the driveway. We'll just put the same texture here. Let's render again, let's see how it looks. It's taking time for VFR. Yeah, the grass is coming nice. Maybe we have this patio. We didn't assign any material here. I would like to put some wood planks here. So go to material editor again, select a slot, physical material, V-Ray MTL, and go to maps, down under, go to maps and look for a wood texture. I have several wood textures there. So these are wood planks. Nice, these are nice. I like this one, I'll put this one. Yeah, it's a nice wood plank texture, and we'll put the displacement map on bump this time. And we will put the specular into glossiness and reflect. Remember, it's all the basic stuffs. There you can do more with this material editor, but I'm showing you the basic things. I will just increase the reflection. I forgot to put it. Yeah, assign. Looks nice. So now let's see. We don't have anything that we didn't put textures on. I will increase the intensity of the dome light because it's like kind of too dark. I'll make it 30. And for lights, I will make some plain lights. It's the ultimate shortcut way to render an exterior. Just put some plain lights into the building. Before you rotate something, make sure the rotate snap tool is on, so that it will rotate every 5 degrees. I'll multiply 150 and choose the orange yellow color. It goes with the theme of my channel, that's why. And I will just put some plain lights into the building. Again, it's the basic tutorial. You can do so much more in so much detail. This is basic and shortcut. I am resizing the light. And then I will just press the shift. Oh no, at first you have to go to the options and make it invisible and uncheck the effect specular. If you do not uncheck it, you will see the reflection of these lights everywhere. You don't want to see that. Now I'm copying the same light everywhere using pressing shift. Just copying it to every floor. I know it's not the right way to put light, but this is the shortcut way. I'm adjusting the lights a little bit. Now I copied another light and rotate it 90 degrees and put it in this side. Just copying the same light. The ground floor, and in the patio I will make it smaller because it would be too much. I decrease the size. Okay, now let's see what our lights did. It did fine, although it's a little overexposed. I may decrease the intensity of the lights, but it's showing what I wanted. And I'm decreasing the intensity of every light. Fast forwarding here. Yeah, I think this one is perfect. it's not overexposed, and it also looks pleasing. Let's bring in the 3D models. At first, let's bring in the car. I have a nice detailed car here. First, make it a group so that you can move it easily later. I'm rotating it and putting it in the parking spot. I'm sure this is parking spot. Let's adjust the car. Adjust the that, unselect that, select the car again. Adjust the placement of your model, 3D model. Oh, it crossed the driveway line. Do it nicely and yep, I think that's it. I'll move it a little to the right here. Yeah. So we missed a light. There is a parking under the basement and there should be light there, but we didn't put any kind of lights. So we'll just copy a light from the room and put it into this parking hallway. I rotate it and we'll also resize it. I will also increase the multiply. We'll multiply it, increase the intensity, and make the light a little lighter. Okay. Now we need some other 3D models. Let's go to curtains and put some curtains on windows. Here it is. I'll just randomly put some curtains because it's a tutorial. I don't have to be that accurate. Yep. And pressing shift, I'll copy them and I'll put them in other windows, and I'll import another curtain and I'll do the same. fast forwarding it because it's boring. Just put some curtains on your windows if you want. If you don't want, it's fine. Okay, curtains done. Now some furnitures. I will put some furnitures on ground floor only. I don't know if it would be visible from my camera angle, but you can put furnitures all over the building if you have time. As it is a tutorial, I don't have time. I'm just putting some random furnitures into the building. If the material name collapses, just press auto rename the materials. Nope. So I have some lampposts. Unfortunately, I didn't download the lead lampposts. There are no lights there, just the lampposts. I didn't check it before I downloaded it. I will make it taller. I'll make it bigger actually. And pressing shift, I'll move it pressing shift so that I can copy it. Now again I will select the two and press shift and just drag it, and into the copy number, I'll press 3, so it will copy 3 items at the same time. This color is still bothering me. I downloaded some lawn chairs or patio chairs. I put it on the little deck over there. I place it firmly, yep, and just copy it. I have some random rocks, because it's the 3D model itself, it's a hilly area, so I thought some rocks would be nice. So I downloaded some rocks and I'll put it randomly. I'm putting the rocks and rotating them. So now let's move to trees. I have downloaded a lot of trees, but I won't use them all because trees makes a file, the size of the file larger, and if you don't have a good PC, good configuration PC, don't put too much trees. I'm putting as much trees as my computer can take. See, it takes a little time to load them even. So I'll put the trees from the camera view so that it covers the background area. I don't like to see the background is there high trees or anything. Okay. Trees take a lot of time to load. This one is a larger tree. I'll put it there in the foreground and on in the background maybe. Yeah, it fits there. And another one to the right side. So that's how you put the trees. I'll fast track this segment because I did put at least 4 trees at different places. By the way, I'm using 16 GB RAM and an NVIDIA 1660 Super graphics card, Intel Core i5 7th generation. That's it. I don't have any high quality. I don't have a high quality PC. That's all. Let's go to render settings. For the final render settings, in the output menu I will select Quad HD, not 4K, Quad HD. And V-Ray I will choose bucket. And irradiance map, light cache, and irradiance map quality high. I will set a path for the render. If the render finishes, then it will save automatically. Just give it a name and choose the format and press OK. After the rendering, it will save automatically. Oh, add some render elements for post production. I always add them. Add video alpha, video object ID, video raw reflection, video raw reflection. That's it. So I think our scene is no, because we did set the object ID, we have to put ID to every single object. So first we are selecting grass and put it in ID number 1, and the concrete ID number 2, glass ID number 3 or 3, and so on. Or maybe 5. Just render it. It will take a little time to start the render because of VRFR and all those trees. So after some time I have obtained this one. It looks good, at least for a quick rendering. You guys can at least start from here, try it and try to do better after some post-processing. So guys, thank you very much. Please like and subscribe. Don't forget to support my channel. Again, thank you for 30k subscribers. Thank you a lot.